Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best M-Pesa brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. M-Pesa is an African-based payment system that was launched by Vodafone in 2007. The ease of use of the M-Pesa system and the accessibility it provides for its users promises a great opportunity for these companies to expand their operations in the African markets. A number of well-regarded international Forex brokers have started accepting M-Pesa payments. So, in this list, we will be going through some of the top 5 best brokers that accept M-Pesa payments. Coming in first at number 5 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, and direct market access accounts with lower Forex fees, access to their web and mobile platforms, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Forex.com. Coming in at number 4 is IQ Option. IQ Option, a broker developed under the IQ Option Europe company, was founded in 2013. Contains a CY/SEC license with permission to provide its financial services within the European Economic Area Zone, with several other licenses from other EU local jurisdictions. IQ Option specializes and offers services in binary options, stocks, shares, currencies, and ETF trading. Featured platform is available on IQ Option's Ultimate Investment Platform, which is available on iOS, Windows, and Android operating systems. Accounts are available on demo, standard, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, over 90 different types of underlying assets, 24/7 customer support services, access to their free mobile application, and more. IQ Option also allows traders to take part in their online trading tournaments, which is an added bonus if you're feeling competitive. IQ Option also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a variety of trading tutorial videos, news, analytics, their very own trading blog and research center, and more if you are looking to expand your education with IQ Option. Coming in at number 3 is Tickmill. Tickmill is an online, fully regulated financial broker. One of the reasons that Tickmill is so popular is due to this broker having a 100% NDD or no dealing desk platform, which essentially means that there is no conflict of interest between their clients. Founded in 2015, Tickmill specializes in trading through Forex, stock indices and oil, precious metals, and bonds. Their accounts feature Pro, Classic, and VIP accounts with lower minimum deposits, up to 80 tradable market instruments, top-tier client fund safety, and multilingual support. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on the MetaTrader platform, as well as Tickmill's Web MetaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Tickmill also offers their very own educational center, which delves into topics such as market insights, various trading articles, fundamental and technical analysis panels, a comprehensive collection of educational video tutorials, as well as webinars and seminars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your education through Tickmill. Coming in at number 2 on our list, we have Exness. Exness is an online, fully regulated, globally recognized financial broker that is authorized by the Financial Services Authority, or FSA, of Seychelles, and was founded in 2008. Exness specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, metals, and energies. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as their very own web terminal, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Featured accounts are provided on Standard, Raw Spread, Zero, and Pro accounts with lower minimum deposits, lower spreads, an unlimited number of positions, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and offers over 105 different market instruments to trade, including over 103 currency pairs. Exness also provides their very own Trading Academy, which delves into the essentials of trading, multilingual video guides, market insight and analysis, as well as their upcoming webinars for you to sign up to if you are looking to expand your knowledge with Exness. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best M-Pesa brokers, we have XM. XM is a globally regulated financial broker that operates with clients from over 196 countries around the world and offers support in 30 different languages. Their main branch is located in Cyprus and is fully regulated by the CYSEC. XM specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, metals, energies, and shares. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature Micro, Standard, XM Ultra Low, and Shares accounts that come equipped with negative balance protection, lower leverage, and a variety of tradable base currency options. XM also provides their very own educational resource center, which delves into various trading educational videos, a daily live streaming and podcast service, as well as free webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking for a more personal, in-depth educational experience. And those are some of the top 5 best M-Pesa brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your trading activities.